My name's Josh. This is Bert, my 1969 Morris Minor. I bought him back in 2020 as a restoration project, and it was a project for me and my stepdad to do. We got it on the road within 12 months. We get varied reactions off different people, so some absolutely love the patina rat look that we've gone for, and some go, oh, are you going to repaint it or put it back to original? As it's my daily drive, it's been modified with a Stage 1 head, a 40 Aerotype 95-speed gearbox, so it will sit on the motorways quite happily doing long trips. It's more built for my comfort. MX-5 seats. I did originally have some Jag seats in there, but I changed them out because I do prefer the blue fabric on them. So that's just for miscellaneous bits, so bungee cords, ratchet straps, all that good stuff. And a little bit of towing stuff as well. It's been fairly reliable until about a few days ago. Blew some piston rings out, so I had to slap an engine in just to get it here. One of the plans is to supercharge an A-Series, a 1098. Going to see how that goes. Hopefully we don't run into many issues. I've just gone and bought an Akispark electronic ignition. So this is my first time doing electronic ignition on an A-Series, so I'm interested to see how that's going to go. When we bought it, it had come out of a garage that had done all the welding, but the guy who asked for the welding to be done didn't pay up. So they then sold it just to recover their money. But I've had to, a couple of odd bits that have just broken over the years. So passenger side chassis leg and engine bay floor had to be re-welded with new panels. So that was a couple of weeks of work trying to get everything square and true. I do enjoy coming to the NEC for the restoration shows or the classic car show in November as well. Sort of gives me a chance to catch up on all the work that I wanted to do as well. So yeah, I fitted the electronic ignition. I fitted some new headlight pods as one of them had broke, so I sort of had to bodge something together to get me out of trouble. And then I've got plans for handbrake adjustment. I need to sort out where the steering wheel sits, and just a couple of other miscellaneous bits now, like the reverse and light switch on the gearbox isn't working correctly.